back to my channel. My name is Shanae Denise. If you guys are new here, welcome. Now today's video is going to be on this wig right here that I got from Amazon. The store that I got this wig from is Silease. I can't pronounce the name, so I'm just going to put it right here. But I got this wig from Amazon. I paid $84 for it. This is a short bob wig. This is 14-inch, and this is a 13x4 wig. It is pre-plucked, and it is said the knots are bleached, but I just went on ahead and added my lace tint spray, and I just tint the lace with my spray. The hair is very nice. It's very soft, as you can see. All I did today was I just put it up, I wet it, I put my Garnier Fructis hair serum in my hair, and I brushed it out with my powder brush and just out the door. So this hair is very nice. This is like my third time working with a 13x4 unit, so I think I did a good job. I think I just left the baby hairs out just a little bit thick, but I really do like how the hair is looking, and the curl powder is so soft, like straight out the package. The curl powder was really nice, but when you wet it, super soft, super easy to comb through. It didn't tangle so far, so I really do like that so far about this unit. Then with this hair, they do send you over a wig cap, and then they do send you over a band to melt the lace, so I did use that. But this hair company is really good. I took my chances. I ordered the hair Monday night, and the hair got to me Tuesday, and then I just applied it yesterday, and then I'm getting ready to go to work right now, so I'm on my way out the door. If you guys want to see how I apply this unit, then keep watching.